This is Chris, and just finishing up here with our horseshoe pit bocce court combination. It's been raining a lot during the month of January and February, so the court will have to get another oyster shell flower finish and swept after that. Of course, we always leave extra oyster shell and oyster shell flower for customers when we do their courts, so they don't have to go and chase more down. You can see what a beautiful combination this recreational area is, with casual dining, barbecuing up here, bocce ball court, horseshoe pit down here. It's still drying, but the dark material is actually blue. It'll be blue once it dries. It's Cloud 9 DG. And then we have some white golf course bunker sand in the horseshoe pit to offset the colors there. You can see the very shiny finish that the oyster shell flower has. Again, blended with a 1/4 inch decomposed granite material, so the balls roll very smooth. And all this will need to be done is just, all that will need to be done is just putting out a few bags of oyster shell flour every few months, re-sweeping it, occasionally re-raking it, and it'll play very, very well.